Priyanka, your course mentor for the Certification in Makeup Artistry program. To get you started, here is a quick walkthrough of the student makeup kit. This is the same kit you will be working with during the course. It is packed with all the essentials you'll need to learn, practice and build your skills. Alright, let's jump in and I'll take you through each of the products in the kit one by one. First, we'll start with the primer. It is used to prep and smooth the skin before foundation, helping your makeup last longer, and this will also control oil. Next, we have these two foundations that are ideal for creating an even toned base and practicing on different skin types. With various shades, it will help you to create even base for everybody. We have this amazing concealer palette that will help you target dark circles, blemishes and pigmentation with more precision than a foundation, and it will give you an amazing coverage. This amazing translucent powder. This lightweight powder sets your base, reduces shine, gives you a soft matte finish. We have this contour palette. You will use this to sculpt the face, define cheekbones, jawline and forehead. Blush palette. It is used to add natural flush and bring the life back to the face. Now we will talk about the eye makeup products. First, this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Add depth and dimension to the eyes using a mix of matte and shimmer shades. Now I'm going to show what are the shades inside. This is a beautiful palette. You can see these amazing shades. Then we have these amazing eyeliner and kajal pencils. Both are included to help you practice precise line and bold eye looks. We have this beautiful mascara that enhances your lashes by adding volume, length and definition. We have this amazing lipstick palette. In this, we have a variety of shades to explore different lip styles, textures and finishes. The fixing spray locks in your entire makeup look and helps it stay fresh all day long. Last but not the least, brush set. Your key tools for blending, defining and achieving a flawless finish with every product. And that's your kit. Not just bunch of products, but the tools you'll be working with every single day through the course. You have signed up, you're in, now let's get started.